Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best dashcam for your car this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. We've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Wrexham V1 Car Dashcam. Wrexham crafted ultra-high durability dashcam with discretion in mind. Apart from the design and sturdy chassis, you get loop recording for your older videos to be erased, with new videos put in. This one is unique in this regard. You can select 5 or 3.5 minute blocks of time to be recorded instead of a continuous loop. While you can support up to 128 GB in an SD card, this model doesn't come with any standard memory. Not even a little 8 GB SD card like most of the other models come with. You do get the addition of a G sensor, which is essentially the gravity detecting unit that knows when you've been in an accident. It keeps the video locked, so you'll be protected no matter what. That video clip isn't going anywhere. No chance of being overwritten or anything. HD recording, thanks to Sony's Exmor IMX323 imaging, allows you to capture stunning quality, which you definitely need when you're dealing with various landscapes and lighting changes. We were a bit disappointed to learn that this only records in 30 FPS, because it doesn't really go with the quality of the cameras. This feature leaves something to be desired, though it will still do its job fine, and it actually allows for more video to be written to your removable storage device. 6-layer lenses and a 170-degree angle gives you crisp quality, while giving you optimum recording space. The best key features are: discreet design, perfect for those who don't want to advertise the fact that they have a dashcam. HD 1080 pixel. 6-layer lens for optimal recording. Best dashcam for the money. 2. Garmin KSX1 Full HD G Sensor Dashcam. The king of the hill and one of the best dash cams on the market, KD Lynx brings us all the features you want in one package, all without breaking the bank. This comes in Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel, giving you excellent details on your surroundings, and the profiles of individuals you may need on camera if you use your dashcam in an emergency situation. Apart from the quality of the video capture, you get a 2.7 screen to view it on. This unit comes with an 8 GB SD card, that's pre-formatted to work with your dashcam straight out of the package. If your package doesn't arrive until nightfall, don't worry, the night vision on this camera surpasses any other night vision we tested. Couple that with the dynamic range capabilities, and there's nothing this camera can't capture. Ready for this? Works up to 170 F, and as low as 40 F. Unless you keep the doors open in the Arctic or you're trying to boil water, you're not going to even come near these temperatures. This will last through anything. Your built-in GPS function allows you to track your movements on Google Maps. An invaluable tool for figuring out the at-fault party during an accident. Apart from these eccentric and epic features, you get a full 1-year warranty on all hardware. Other than that, this is the best dash cam, the one that goes up to 165 degrees of rotation, the one with a G sensor and emergency lock button. The best key features are: 1920 by 1080 HD video capture, excellent night vision mode, built-in GPS module, top-rated dash cam. 3. Rove R2 4K Dashcam. The Rove R2 4K dashboard camera offers excellent value for money. Sure, it's not the cheapest around, but it's packed with features that are typically found only in high-end cams. With 4K Ultra HD recording and 150 degrees wide-angle lens, the R2 4K model captures most of the road around you and produces crisp, clear footage. Thanks to its super night vision technology, it also provides great video and image quality in low-light conditions. The camera comes with built-in Wi-Fi, so you can use Rove's app to view and control your dash recordings via your phone. This also allows you to download 4K videos to your smartphone and share them with whomever you like. There's also a built-in GPS which records your driving location and speed, super useful if your kid is driving the car. The R2 4K model has f1.8 apertures, parking mode, G sensor, emergency video lock, motion detection, slow motion video. Basically, everything one could possibly want from a dash cam, and then some. To top it off, the camera is backed by full 1-year warranty and the company has excellent customer service. The best key features are: 2160 pixel resolution, excellent night vision, Wi-Fi and GPS, Numerous useful features, including G-sensor, parking mode, motion detection, loop recording and other. 4. Garmin Dashcam. Garmin makes killer electronics, and they stepped into the car space with this excellent dashcam model. Like any Garmin product, there are a few kinks, but the high performance and unique features are bound to impress. This is the first dashcam we've seen to include voice commands, tell it to start or stop recording, take a picture, or begin and end the travel app's photo capture feature. It's all up to you. You get a magnetic mount for this ultra-small camera, giving you full discretion and a unique way to grab and go. 3.7 megapixel stills rival the quality of your phone, while the forward collision and lane departure warnings keep you stable when you're on the road. It may be enough to help you realize you're tired, pull over, and avoid an accident altogether. GPS-enabled and boasting excellent performance in adverse lighting situations are both fantastic features, but there are a few bugs. If you hit certain altitudes or elevated temperatures, the software would shut down. Even after the fix, a few users have reported the same issue. In total, you get good quality, great features, and a grab-and-go camera that's going to capture it all. The best key features are 3.7 megapixel camera, voice control for certain features, best discrete dash cam. 5. APEMAN Dual Dash Cam. The APEMAN C860 comes with a front and rear camera, which will help keep you and your vehicle as safe as possible. Both cameras have 1080p dual lens that monitor the road ahead and behind you with clear video definition. The front camera records in 1440 pixel. This is only possible when it works by itself. If both rear and front cams are used simultaneously, then 1080 pixel resolution is automatic. This is still very good, as the definition is crisp clear. Night vision is also great as the camera automatically adjusts exposure in low light conditions, capturing even the smaller details easily. The C860 has the ability to take up to 12 MP images and also record audio inside the vehicle. There's also the mute function in video mode, if you don't want to hear what was said at the time of recording. More importantly though, there is a built-in G-sensor, which detects the sudden vibrations around the car, locking the collision footage that you can use as proof for preventing disputes in emergencies. This dual dash cam comes with a number of other features as well, including loop recording, motion detection and wide dynamic range. The customer service is also helpful and responsive, which is always a plus. The best key features are front cam 1140 pixel, rear cam 1080 pixel. Clear night vision. Can take 12 MP images and record audio. Built-in G-sensor, motion detection, loop recording, wide dynamic range.